Hi, Henry Chipple here, working on the M.I.A. devlog. So this is level 2, or the tutorial level. Again, we're going on with our fully baked lighting and textures. All the models are created by me, and also Thorin worked on the AI. So all of the levels are designed and created by me. Here we pick up the swap gun. So the swap gun is a bit unique. We're heavily inspired by games like Portal for this game, so we wanted to have some more puzzle elements whilst also just creating something unique. So in this, you can see in the top left it says mouse 1 to fire, and you have this handy podium to give you a nice view of that icon, the red icon, and your reticle also will change to green when hovering over something that you can click on. So you click, you get a nice animation, nice 2D animation as well, and you switch positions with the object. So we're just gonna do that again. If you fall off and you screw up and you need another go, you can just climb up here. Or if you switch places and then fall off here, then you can use this platform. So fairly idiot-proof, but you know, I'm excited to see what people can break. So here's the second part of the level, which just shows that you don't always have to swap with red cubes, which is pretty boring. So you can actually swap with enemies as well, which introduces quite fun gameplay because you can switch with enemies over acid or something along those lines, or you could miss. Let's give that another go. Oh wee! Right. Yeah, if I can do it. There you go. And he's into the acid. There he is. There he goes. Something that I'll show you in the next level as well. There you go. I'll see you in the next level.